Innovation, to think laterally and never be shy of embracing big ideas. Courage, to support decisions and actions with conviction. And trust, to deliver on all promises. Innovation, courage, and trust are the foundation stones and the core values of one of India's leading business houses, the Adani Group. The $6 billion Adani Group, a first-generation diverse corporate conglomerate founded by Gautam Adani, is poised to dominate a multitude of sectors by converging with the global best. The Adani Group, which has 3 listed companies, namely Adani Enterprise Limited, Mundra Port and SEZ Limited, and Adani Power Limited, has made forays into high-growth sectors like infrastructure, energy, and agri-commodities. The group is recognized for creating benchmarks in every endeavor. Our infrastructure portfolio consists of port development, a special economic zone, logistics, shipping, and realty development. Our growth-centric approach to facilitate world-class operations has made us the developer and operator of the largest private sector merchant port in India, the Mundra Port. The port has a privately developed 64-kilometer rail line and is in close proximity to the Bhuj and Kandla airports. Operational since 1998, Mundra Port is capable of handling more than 150 million tons per annum of cargo. Mundra Port has state-of-the-art infrastructure, measuring up to international standards, offering services like mechanized bulk handling, packaging of cargo, closed and open storage for bulk cargo, liquid tank farm, cleaning and sorting of cereals, etc. Customs, business infrastructure, and safety systems. Mundra Port is an integral part of Mundra's Special Economic Zone, India's largest multi-product SEZ, also developed by the Adani Group. Mundra SEZ has an in-zone port, its own container terminal, and container freight stations. The Adani Group has one more operational port at The Hague. The group is also in the process of developing a port with multi-cargo terminals at Hazira in Gujarat and a special coal terminal at Mormugao in Goa. The Adani Group has an active ship chartering business operating out of Dubai. We own 2 Cape-size ships. Adani Logistics Limited provides integrated logistics solutions for movement of commodities. It is developing logistics parks for providing various ground facilities, including aggregation, warehousing, holding, inspection, custom bonding, stuffing, destuffing of export, import and domestic cargo, and loading, unloading onto railway wagons. Adani Group has diversified into realty development to enhance lifestyles and create quality workplaces. Adani Infrastructure and Developers Private Limited is engaged in realty development in Mumbai. Adani Township and Real Estate Company is the developer of a premier township project, Shantigram, near Ahmedabad. Our energy portfolio includes power generation, coal mining, gas distribution, oil and gas exploration, coal and power trading, and ship fueling. Adani Power Limited is developing a number of power projects along with dedicated transmission lines. Adani has presently projects aggregating to 18,500 megawatts under various stages of planning and execution. The flagship plant at Mundra will be the largest coal-fired power plant in India on completion in 2012. Other major projects are Tirora in Maharashtra, Dahej in Gujarat, Kawai in Rajasthan, Chindwari in Madhya Pradesh, Bhadreshwar in Gujarat, and Chandipada in Odisha. With coal as its biggest trading commodity, Adani Group has entered into the coal mining business as a value-enhancing proposition. The focus is on identification of coal asset, acquisition, exploration and development of mining assets, processing of the coal, and providing logistic solutions to end users. Adani Group has developed greenfield coal mining concessions in Bunyu, Indonesia. Adani Group has also acquired 100% interest in Galili Tenement in Queensland, Australia. The Adani Group is also developing port and rail infrastructure in Australia and Indonesia to support its coal business. In India, Adani Group has been selected as the mine developer and operator and joint venture partner to develop and operate 4 major coal blocks. Another source of energy which has become a major power supplier to industries and residential establishments is natural gas. Adani Gas Limited has been setting up distribution networks in various cities to supply natural gas to industrial, commercial, domestic and CNG customers. Since the energy reserves of the world are drying up fast, exploring new reserves has become important. With its infrastructure, expertise and reach, Adani Group has joined hands with Wellspun Group to undertake oil and gas exploration. Adani Wellspun Exploration Limited has already built a prospective portfolio of onshore, offshore and international assets. Our agri-commodity portfolio ranges from providing post-harvest preservation and logistics infrastructure to agri-processing and trading in agricultural commodities. The Adani Group is a leading trader in diversified agri-commodities, with emphasis on the entire range of food grains, pulses, de-oiled cake and castor. We have expertise in bulk sourcing, aggregating, logistics management and bulk distribution. Adani Wilmar Limited is a joint venture with the Wilmar Group, Singapore, and is the producer of Fortune, India's largest selling edible oil brand. Adani Agri Logistics Limited is engaged in post-harvest preservation of food grains. Adani Agri Fresh Limited has set up modern, controlled atmospheric storage facilities. A good business becomes great when it connects its quest for excellence to a larger purpose. Adani Foundation, an arm of Adani, works towards bringing about sustainable development in and around the geographical locations of the group company's operations. Adani Foundation works in 5 core areas, namely education, community health, sustainable livelihood development, water management, and rural infrastructure development. In collaboration with the Government of Gujarat, the Adani Group has set up Gujarat Adani Institute of Medical Sciences. The group has also set up Adani Institute of Infrastructure Management in Ahmedabad, with an objective to provide competent manpower to the infrastructure sector. The Adani Group is engaged in a continuous endeavor to maximize potential by synergizing the multiple businesses of the group to arrive at an optimum business model. At Adani Group, judicious deployment of management bandwidth enhances efficiency and streamlines operations. We constantly endeavor to pursue strategic alliances and acquisitions with a long-term business strategy in mind. We see ourselves as a responsible corporate citizen. We are confident that we will fulfill this responsibility to the satisfaction of society. Adani Group. The business of success.